A very quick update on natural gas and gold today. So first of all, guys, if you haven't followed me on Telegram and on Instagram, please do so because I upload live analysis. And once I upload a video, I send a notification on Telegram and on Instagram. Or if we have an update regarding a trade, I also send on Telegram. So make sure you follow me there as well. So let's start our analysis with natural gas. So if you remember my yesterday's video, let's go back and check quickly so that it will all make sense to you how we entered this trade. Right now, I'm still seeing a room for natural gas to hit this yellow zone. It can go between this yellow zone. This yellow zone is from 4.764 and it goes up to 4.987. This resistance zone, I will look for an entry reason, either an engulfer or a double top move from this zone to take short trades, and I will calculate my ATR whatever the targets are coming up at that time. Okay, perfect. So as I said, we will look for an entry condition from this yellow zone here on Oanda. I'll go through capital.com as well in a moment. But if you remember, I have sent a message in a group to enter on this pin bar. Once we have this pin bar ready, we can enter a few pips below right here. I had my order set right here yesterday, but as you see, the market ended up moving up from here and my order didn't execute and it saved me to hit my stop loss. So this is how I trade pin bar, and this is what I have sent a message in my Telegram channel. If you see here on the screen, I have notified traders and I've told them that the way I entered pin bars is I set up my entry few pips below the pin bar, and once the price hit my order, it get executed, but it didn't happen and it moved up, and instead I got a better entry condition right here. Got an engulfer entry, and now according to the ATR, I'm expecting a market to hit 4.45. It is actually 4.454. So once we hit this target, I will exit my trades as well. But as you see, we have a 50-20 EMA support right below that. We might see a little bounce from here. It can still go back up, guys. So I won't get panic. It can still give us a double top move, but at this point the trades are going well. If you want to cut your profits, if it's up to you, because I see this 20 EMA support and we can expect a little bounce from here. If not, it can still hit our targets right here. And if we have a break of 50 EMA, which is at this point 4.462, if you have a break of 50 EMA, then I expect a further move down to this yellow zone, which is 4.233. It goes down to 4.154, from where we will look for buy trades here, either as a double bottom, or an engulfer entry, something like this, but the upside down, but the opposite obviously. So right here on capital.com, same condition, we have this engulfer candle on the minor support and market is pushing down. The maximum I can see the market to go according to the ATR is 4.252, and once we have a hit of this green zone, I will look for engulfers or a double bottom trades from this zone back up whatever the ATR is telling us. So I'll keep you guys updated as usual every single day. If you're getting value out of my videos, please don't forget to hit a like button for me. It helps me in the YouTube algorithm. And if you are interested to learn these, how to mark these zones and any other trading related questions you may have, you can always DM me. And for that, you need to join one of my partner brokers. The links are in the description. Once you join it, I will add you in my priority list and you will receive a weekly Forex report where I teach you how to mark these zones and how to take a valid entry once we have entry confirmation. If not, then it's totally cool. Don't forget to hit a like button for me so that you won't miss a daily analysis like this. So let's check gold here quickly. Okay, so as we were expecting, a head and shoulder move. As you can see, the market didn't form any sort of move here and didn't give us any sort of entry reason. We also didn't get any sort of double top move, and if you remember my previous video, I have said that if the market breaks above this zone, which was 1877, then I expect further move up, which has happened eventually. And I've also said that the market can hit 1900 in my previous video. I want to show you in a second. If we have a break of this green zone, then it will be more of the double top entry rather than head and shoulder. If we have a break of this double top as well, then I'm expecting to see a trend continuation from gold till 1900. Okay, right now you see the market is heading towards this major zone. Once we have a hit of 1900, around, yeah, 1900 or 1902, around that, this zone is from 190 sorry, it's 1902, goes up to 1923. So what I need to see a hit of this zone, and from where I will look for sell trades as an engulfer or as a double top trades from this zone back down to whatever the ATR. Normally take one ATR above as a stop loss and one ATR below as a target. So that was a quick one on gas and gold. Any question, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green. Till then, take care.